Hello, I've been invited here to do a presentation on natural hand sanitizer, and I'm also going to share my recipe here, which is for a room spray and a surface spray. So my name is Hera and I'm an aromatologist and been involved in the field of aromatherapy for a number of years. So what I'd like to do is share with you the great joy and knowledge that I have relating to essential oils, and especially at this time they're fantastic for us to use in our health and our prevention for the virus. So the essential oils I've chosen today are all antiviral. Here, which represents the phenols, and phenols are antiviral. So they're also very stimulating, and they also can be skin irritants. So please do be aware that we only need to use these in relatively small doses. Oils have all antiseptic qualities, and here's we've got clove, of course, which people know, and we use that for cooking, toothache and everything. The clove essential oil is a beautiful oil, so when we make up our products, of course it is actually going to smell beautiful, and could actually encourage people to want to eat, because that's also what our sense of smell does stimulate, is that hunger response. So clove is a very beautiful oil, antifungal, antiviral. There it is right there. This other one, Ravensara, is a bit of a more unusual, not such a commonly known oil, but very good antiviral. And apparently if you are coming down with the flu or such, if you can get someone to massage your spine, in a carrier oil of course, but the Ravensara is a very strong immune stimulant. Beautiful oil.
What's it made from?
The Ravensara is a leaf, yeah, from a tree, yeah, a tropical tree. It smells like clove, actually. Clove and cinnamon, I love it. You know, there's certain oils that really, you know, you have a response to. Oregano is a very, very powerful antiseptic oil as well. Again, you do have to be careful with it as it is a skin irritant, but it's a very strong essential oil for inhibiting bad germs, basically. Like, supposedly it will combat successfully the hospital bug, you know, the usual antibiotic resistant germs that you pick up in hospital. And the lemon essential oil is a beautiful oil and very anti-infectious. Peppermint, again, is a beautiful oil. I mean, whether you put them in or not, it's a different thing. Yeah, the holy basil is a beautiful oil. Again, the basil, just a normal sweet basil, is antiviral, and I've been eating it every single day. The holy basil cleans the etheric field, which is always a good thing as well. And then this is a eucalyptus peppermint, antiviral, and cinnamon, again, is another very strong essential oil that's antiviral. So here we have, there's clove, and here's the one for oregano. So when you've got big, strong phenol representation, it means that it's seriously antiviral. And there's the lime. We've got 4 drops of the jojoba here, or vitamin E, or even if you've just got almond oil or whatever, it's all fine. It's basically so that the essential oils have an emulsifier with the water and the aloe vera, so they just don't sit on top of the water there. And we're going to make this one for the hand spray. So we'll do a lemon and a basil. Here's the recipe there, and we'll just pour it into the bottle carefully. And there's the hand sanitizer. we'll just use it all. Do be careful with the different aloe vera gels that are available. There are some that do have parabens and some hardcore preservatives in them, so you can always just ask. This seems to be a good product, just 100% aloe vera gel, and it's from the chemist. Got our witch hazel, the aloe vera gel, and a bit of the jojoba, which is actually just gonna, it's a moisturizer. I know peppermint, eucalyptus, and clove. Okay. 6 drops of each of these 3 essential oils here. Sometimes I do find with the aloe vera gel, when you add the liquid to it, it thickens, which is pretty good as well. Beautifully, look at that. So that's basically our recipe. There it is there. We've got the essential oil, this is the gel. And look, it's made a big one of those. It's fantastic because it's extended it. And there's our witch hazel and the 3 essential oils. So again, we've just put 6 drops each of the essential oils in there because remember they can be skin irritants, and this is for general use. So it smells quite nice actually. Hand sanitizer gel, and basically apart from the very small amount we put in here, this little container has made us a beautiful one of these, and it's still very gelish, so that's good value. This is a 200 ml, or it could be 250 ml spray bottle, and what we want here is no more than 10 mils of vodka, and then we're going to use 8 drops each of the essential oil. So we're going to use different ones again just to make it interesting, and this is for the room spray, so we'll use holy basil. Very nice. 8. 1, 2, 3. Peppermint. 8. So here we can see how the alcohol actually blends, the essential oils blend into the alcohol. Will do. Goes a long way. And then we are using now something really nice. I did make a beautiful one for my son's partner. It was lime, cinnamon, and we'll go with basil. Beautiful. Again, do 8 drops of each. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oils, our meths, and some water, and it goes, because it's the solvents. The detergent's a solvent, the meths is a solvent, and the essential oils are all solvents. And then again, you know, you can clean out your fridge, you can clean your oven, not a problem, nothing's nasty. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful.